cannoli OMDG store 2. I finally found something really good. So I've already like scanned everything and I'm like boo, boo, boo. And I was thinking not this one. Yes, this one. Oh my gosh, and there's 3 of them. Pax is gonna love this. His birthday is in just a few days. Yes. Heck to the yeah. Don't mind all the caffeine and cookies. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Yes. Notice I found these above the party section. You could find pennies anywhere in the Dollar General stores. Oh yeah. 3 monster basic 3-in-1 sound reactive multicolor LED lamp. Score. What's 28 times 3? I don't know. 20, 40, 60, 80, 4, 20, 40, 60, 84. Yes! One of the most important lessons I've learned in penny shopping and that I can teach you is to be kind to everyone out there, and especially your Dollar General employees. So I have to tell you really quick, I got 3 of these speakers. The cashier was fantastic. She was excited for me. She even scanned stuff behind the counter without complaining. I offered her one. She was like kind of shocked. She was like, "Are you sure they're expensive?" I said, "No, they're not. So have one." Well, then she told me she had 2 daughters, birthdays coming up, but then proceeded to tell me she lost her 4-year-old daughter to epilepsy in April. Please always be kind. You never know what someone's fighting. I'm so sorry I forgot to announce the winner in the middle of vacation. Victoria Munez, 6379. Contact me ASAP. Comment below to get your 20 bucks. Okay, going for round 2. Didn't get a big haul first round, but it's better than nothing. I'm always happy with anything, especially when I had no clue what was still in store. So let's go for round 2 and get those pennies. Okay, so sometimes the stores, it's been back and forth depending on management. Sometimes it's been good at pulling, other times it hasn't been. So, but it's also a big store for stashing. But again, I haven't been here forever, so we're gonna have to see. I've checked these like 12 times here. Don't worry, they're not the penny ones. Let's see what we can find. Ooh, it smells like Mary in here. Happy early Tuesday morning, Miss Mary. Oh, surprise. Our wall art still Uno penny. I cannot stress enough. Don't forget about your old pennies. Don't forget your old pennies. Ooh, are these brown dots speckled? They are. Oh, I see another one. Okay. Feeling a little more positive. Feeling some positivity. Let's get it. Where to begin? Oh gosh, where to begin? Okay, okay, I know those are not, everybody. It's time to not calm down. That's a little dinky. Oh yeah, we got some other sweet, okay. Another penny reuse, just so you know. I take these, and I actually take that off. I use these for coasters. Yeah, because these get wet. Anywho, just so you know. Alright, I had to stop and watch Christy's Connection surprise penny video. Make sure you check that out. I saw one as I was, oh, this one. of our pet mugs. I'm looking for our ones that say utensils. There's a purple. There's a green back there. Oh, there's another coaster. I need to go through these dishes, but I can't do that one-handed. We're gonna have a heck of a mess. Have a heck of a mess. Are those speckled? Oh, I think they are. Be back. We have more coasters. Oh, I need to show stuff. Yeah. Big plates, bowls. I've got water under there. Don't forget about your old pennies. Like I said, it's really important to know previous years. I know just because I got a crap ton of those. My friend Steph that owns the restaurant uses them for fancy catering jobs. Okay, so I saw this one. And then I looked up and saw that. It's really bad. Oh, wait, see, I'm so sad that all this pet stuff's gonna... Oh, dang. I'm not gonna cry. I got stuff to do. Time for all that. There's no crying in penny shopping. Oh, wait. Unless you're easy penny shopping, and then there is. Hee hee. That's one. Yep. Let's keep it moving. Oh, barely. Let's barely keep it moving. Yeah. There's one of my trucks. I've been wanting one of these for years, but can never get it because, you know, it takes forever. So, I get a little truck in there. Yeah. Okay. Looking for our shower hooks. They're easy to spot because they're the plastic ones. Oh, but I see one of our other soap dispensers. These, I would think you're going to find plenty because they do not look like anything special. Like they're just one of the core ones. Towels are the same as the previous years. They're a smaller towel. There's a plain gray. There's a plain, like a deep red. And then there's a white with red and gray, like striped dash. Ooh, I think that's one of our brown dot pillows. Brown dot pillows have those diagonal lines. Come to mama, heck yeah. Oh, we love you. We love you. Give me another one. Give me another one of those bad boys. Those are all green or purple. Oh, wait. Or is that, I think this one of the, finally went with red. And then it reset, but I am going to double check it. This is one of our yellow dot. It's one of our purple. I can usually find pillows smushed in here, so I'm going to do some digging there. We're going to do some digging in here, see if I can see any off the, yeah. Oh yeah, wait. Are these the core ones or the, come here. Yes. All right, comparison time. So, the penny one is the jumbo 5.85 ounce bag, sweet and spicy. The new one, see there's no jumbo. It's only 74 grams. The package is smaller. So this be our penny one. I'm gonna keep looking, but so far that I've checked these. Wait, no, hold on. Okay. So our sweet teriyaki, we have the same situation, I think. So these are not jumbo bags. This one is a jumbo bag. Let's do a scan. Let's see. Same thing. Smaller packaging, no jumbo.
I've been making moves like a ninja. I could play it cool like I'm winter. I can make it rain like a cash tsunami. You wanna slip and slide, we can link up. Working all the time, make it duller. Be a student, try to make a dollar. Wanna live life like I'm on vacation. Gotta get those good vibrations. Oh, glowing so bright, I'm going solar. I'm riding high and it's just closer. Loving what I do and I know nothing gets me down, 'cause I can turn it round like. Wanna have a party, let it all hang out. Come on, let me show you what it's all about. Like, I like it better when we all get loud. I feel the goodness all around, like, I'm feeling good now. I'm feeling good now.
If you would like to see more brown dot visuals, I have these two videos that were just released this week, and that's basically this year's brown dot. But I've also pinned in the comments below all of my brown dot visuals from the last 2 years, so you can figure out which ones are still out there in your stores. Good luck.